Okay. Everything else is looking pretty good. I'm gonna get rid of this. I think I'm gonna get rid of these Brussels sprouts too. Yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of this. I think one is growing here, or is that a long one? I'm gonna just get rid of all. Everything that's like long and stringy, I'm cutting it off and I'm getting rid of it. I wanna take the beautiful little setup. It's all coming together. Got all the bugs on the sage over there. Look at my beautiful tulips. These are gorge. Look at those tulips. Gorge. I thought I pulled this out. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Because look, it's just, what is that? I hear a bee. Maybe the bees is out. The bees need, look at that, it just dumped in there. I'm just throw that in the yard. I gotta put something else right there and then I don't know what, but something's going right there. All right. I think my marigolds are being stopped by this cardboard box. I do not know what this is. It kind of like cilantro, don't it? I don't know, but we're gonna put something different right there. Maybe I'm gonna put those radishes. Those breakfast radishes that I just got. Look at these peas. Peas looking beautiful. Look at those peas. Those peas are looking beautiful. Got those red currant tomatoes coming up. I hope they do very well. Chives still aren't blossoming. I'm thinking maybe I planted them at the wrong. Put a little zucchini in here. Let's see if that do something. Let's go over here. Strawberries. I trimmed them down a little bit, so hopefully that will help me grow some fruit. I think I see something right there. Look at that. So we're just gonna see. This is doing its thing. I don't know if it's dying or living on me. I'm gonna just pluck out what's bad. That looks like a beetle. I don't know about this one, y'all. We just gonna let it stay though. Potatoes looking lovely. Look at those potatoes. Okay, potatoes. Okay, potatoes. Yep. Everything's coming along. Not ready to eat anything yet, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna plant those radishes right up in there, in that little spot right there, because it says it only takes 25 days for maturity. So that's what I'm gonna do. I really want to eat something out of the garden. I'm excited, so I'm gonna do that. All right, so let's take a look at my purple cabbage. I'm just gonna pull all of this up because I don't have time. Who has time for this? I don't even think it's doing anything. Like, it's just not doing nothing. So all of that time gone. I'm gonna pull this lettuce up too. I thought I put chives there. So we're gonna wait for this. This is finally coming out. This was tomatoes. Red currant tomatoes. We're gonna see how that do. But I'm pulling this out. I'm okay with pulling this out because I want to actually be successful with growing something. I'm gonna pull that out too. So I'm just gonna start all of this over and put something in there from seed. My peas look pretty good. If I'm not mistaken, those are like sugar peas. I got some going over here too. They're doing really good. I'm excited. Yeah, get from over there. Come here. Hey! Look at her. She finna step in some dog poop. Yay! Okay. Everything else is looking pretty good. I'm gonna get rid of this. I think I'm gonna get rid of these Brussels sprouts too. Yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of this. I think one's growing here. Or is that a long one? I'm gonna just get rid of all of it. Everything that's like long and stringy, I'm cutting it off and I'm getting rid of it. Stringy, I'm cutting it off and I'm getting rid of it. I want to take those boxes out, but I don't want to mess up the root. I should have just went on ahead and took them out. But I'm just gonna take this out so that I can have more space to put something else. And I'm gonna go with that. I'm okay with it too. I think I'm gonna just make a row of shallots. I still got some shallots that I need to put down, so I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep those radishes in there. I think I'm gonna put some pickles in here. Put some cucumbers in here. Cucumbers, I don't know yet. But I'm gonna see whatever is asking me to direct sow. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put whatever I can directly sow in here. And then I'm gonna go from there. Yep, I think I have a plan. Tomatoes is growing. I'm excited about that. Maybe I should trim down one or two. I don't know. We'll see. I do need to water it. I forgot to water the plants this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know if this is dead or not. I don't know if that's dead. But here's mine. Everything looks beautiful, honestly. This looks beautiful. Looks like the only thing I'm gonna have is some peas, but that's okay. I'm gonna water everything real quick. It's not ants, is it? I don't know if I should trim this down some or what, but I'm gonna trim it down. I'm gonna trim this down. I'm gonna trim off all the long pieces. This is my strawberry that I got from Lowe's. And I'm gonna clean this up. I think I know what to do now. Hi! Hey, beautiful! What is that? Owl. What does an owl say? Ooh, ooh, good job. Good job. Yes, an owl. Don't get bit by no ants, girl. To get away from the legginess. I think my light is too far away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this like this, and when it finally does reach, maybe I should do it like this. When it finally does reach, I'm gonna just keep them in there so they can stay. Let's go outside. Look at the dog food. My baby's already outside doing some shit she ain't got no business fucking with the dog. Y'all leave me alone. He just do not like her. I got me another bed ready, mixed with some soil. Y'all, the soil that I got from Sam's, not Sam's, but Lowe's. This soil right here smells like shit. It's not supposed to smell like shit. That's what I thought. But it smells like shit. But this soil right here seems like some good soil. I got that from Sam's. So hopefully it'll do me some good. And this time I filled the bag all the way up instead of like how I did there. My peas look beautiful, I think. I hope they look supposed to look like this. My pumpkin, this looks weird. Let's see if I can focus it. I don't don't think the leaf is supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like that. But that looks like a clover, kind of. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I just saw a huge gecko running out. I snipped my daisies down, hoping that they would grow back. I don't think they're going to grow back, but we'll see. Brought my aloe vera outside. These peas look okay. I think these are having a hard time opening. I'm not sure if I'm not watering them right or if it's the weather. Why am I so zoomed in? I don't know if I'm not watering these right or what. Those are my potatoes. Look at the birds ready to attack. Stop touching stuff. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Thank you. Yeah. So I was zoomed in, so hopefully you can see better now. Sit outside for a little bit. Let the baby play. I was thinking about talking a little bit. I'm in a talking mode. I was just watching. Why is this so zoomed in? Like, is it automatically zooming in? Because I'm not doing that. So I was just thinking how I have somehow conjured this overthinking habit. I've conjured this type of anxiety. I've conjured this up. I don't know how it came about, but I listen to different people, successful people. Well, I think success is, hey, don't go back there. Come here. I think success is based on what you deem successful as an individual. A lot of people would think that I'm successful because everything. Hey! Get back over here. Come here. Hurry up. Come on. Go fast. Milo, stop digging in my yard. It's like I got 2 kids. But success is deemed whatever you feel is success based off of yourself as an individual. One person's success probably wouldn't be someone else's definition of success. And when people look at themselves, they have to see themselves as successful. I think successful is basically looking around and just enjoying everything that you see, especially if it's not. I think successful is, all right, okay, I already said that, but I just was watching this podcast and it just made me think, and it was a pretty good podcast. I'm going to see if I can remember the guy's name, but I definitely subscribe to him. But I am very happy with where I am in life, and I feel as if the things that haven't worked out for me haven't worked out because I deserve better. I feel like everything changes around me because, for one, I manifested. Before I traveled the world, I always imagined myself traveling the world, and I have did that. I think that everything that I have asked God for, He has provided me. I'm saying all of this to say that, like, in the past couple of months or weeks, yeah, come here. Let me love boo-boo. Come here. Look at him. The past couple of weeks, I have been trying to just find myself again. I recently have left a relationship, and I've been trying to basically get over, the heartbreak and stuff like that. And I keep going back to him and stuff. And I don't want to be in a cycle like that. I refuse to be in a cycle like that where I'm off and on with somebody for a surplus of years. This person will just have to lose out on me. But I refuse to, go back and forth, back and forth for years just for us to settle for each other. Hey, get over here. Come here. So I've just been trying to, process my thoughts, and what's been helping me is the podcast for one. And then I don't know why I stopped, but I used to take ashwagandha like at the very beginning of our relationship, and I feel like that is what helped me, because I completely sabotaged the relationship. Hey, come here. Come here, y'all. I found myself going too deep inside of this person and letting myself losing myself within this person, and that's not healthy. It's not good. Yeah, I can't. Look at her looking crazy. Come on, yeah. Look at how she looking. Come on. Right now, get over here. Come on. Come on. Look at this little girl. Wow. Bye-bye. Stay outside with the bugs. Bye-bye. Bye. You can't come in. Stay outside. Look at her. Come on. Get your ass in the house, Milo. Come on. In the house. Come on, Milo. Milo be outside all day.